What's up, guys? Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. I'm your host, Tyler, and today I'm going to be updating the Ichimoku technical analysis for US oil for the months of October to November. Let's hop in. Okay, guys, here we are, US oil on the monthly chart. And so, as you can see, we're starting to get a bearish Kumo Cloud twist. We have 2 out of the 3 bearish Ichimoku trend signals. We have a death cross here. We have the Chico span below the candles. And now we're going to need price to close through the Kumo Cloud and below the Senko span B, which is this thick white line. However, we have 12 days until this candle closes, and it looks like we're finding some support on this level here, which is around the $65 level, 63 and 61 cents to be exact. So it looks like this is going to hold as support. And then if you can look up here, I have some Taito Suchi time cycles drawn in, and you can see that we're about to be approaching a Henka B. And so when we approach these days of change or Henka B, it can signal 2 things. It can signal trend continuation or a trend reversal. And so in this case, I'm expecting a reversal, and I'm expecting this support to hold, and I'm expecting for the next month's price to be heading back in the bullish direction. Now, if you can see too, let me just delete this. It looks like the Kijun-sen, the green line, and this blue line here, the Tenkan-sen, are getting very close to gold crossing. So we could see a gold cross. We could see another twist and then another bullish Kumo Cloud form after. But in terms of Ichimoku, right now we just have a neutral ranging market. We don't have a bearish trend and we don't have a bullish trend. So we're going to need to wait for either this resistance here at $94.99 to break, or the support at $63.61. Now, I'm expecting price to break the resistance because I'm expecting another wave of inflation to start happening soon. We've got price and time balanced on these larger time cycles. And so between now and early spring, we should start seeing a resolution to this ranging market. But I think it will happen sooner than next spring. It should be between now and the end of the year. Now let's go to the weekly chart for some more detail. Okay guys, now we're on the weekly chart. And so overall on the weekly chart, we've got a nice bearish trend. We've got all 5 lines pointing down, the Tenkan-sen, the Kijun-sen, and the Senko span A and B. So overall, this is a bearish chart. We're approaching this support level at 63.61. And it looks like this could be an N wave back down. So if we get a close below the $65.54 level, which is this wick here, that's going to confirm this N wave back down. Now, let's take a look. So it looks like we're about to get a death cross on the SMI, and we already have a bearish LTI. So overall, guys, in the short term, oil is still looking pretty bearish. However, I am expecting this support to hold, but we're going to need to wait and see. We're going to have to wait 12 days until the close of this month's candle to see that. Now, let's go to the daily chart. Okay, on the daily, you can see that we're starting to get some bullishness. We've got a gold cross. We have Chico span, which is a yellow line here above the candles, and we have a bullish Kumo Cloud twist forming here. So now we need price to break through Senko span B, which is the thick white line, and we need to confirm an N wave above this cloud. And once we get that, we're going to have a nice trend starting to form here on the daily chart. However, in the meantime, we still have some bearishness on the SMI and the LTI indicator. So for the short to medium term, this is still looking a little bit bullish. However, there's no trend on this market here on the daily, and this is still just a neutral market. So we're going to need to wait and see if we can break this resistance level here at the $78.46 to confirm the bull trend on the daily. And once we get this bull trend formed on the daily, then we can assume that price will reach back up to our resistance level here on the monthly chart, which is $94.99. So a lot to consider for this market. It's very choppy right now. And, we really need to just wait for this range to resolve itself, which it should be doing soon because the price and time have been balanced already. And so now we should be seeing a resolution to this ranging market soon. and I'm expecting it to be a bullish resolution. Now let's take a look at a little bit of fundamental news. So here's an article I found. Alleged U.S. intel on Israeli preparations for strike on Iran appears online. Now, guys, I will link this article below. But one thing I wanted to note was that we had an Iranian strike on Israel recently, and we've been now waiting for Israel to counterattack. Now, Israel, according to this, has hold on, let me find it real quick. So it says Washington has urged Israel not to strike Iran's nuclear or oil facilities. But Israel is planning a counterattack, and it could be possible that they attack any Iranian oil facilities. And if they do, I would expect a huge gap up in the oil price. So, right now I'm thinking that things may escalate between Iran and Israel, and if they do, that's definitely going to affect the price of oil if war escalates. And so if that happens, I'm expecting the price of oil to go up. And we can see it in the chart already, actually. So just by seeing the chart, it does look like oil is going to be heading back up. And we could see it around that $94 level, possibly by the end of year or quarter one of next year. But until then, guys, we just need to see if the support holds. So let's just go back. So here's our support and our resistance. So let's see what happens. But overall, guys, I am still bullish on oil. Just in the short term, it is looking bearish. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll link the article. And I just want to say, if you guys want to learn how to trade or learn more about the Ichimoku system, feel free to join my free Discord community. I'm also going to put a link to that below. And just want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing. Really helps me and my family. So thanks a lot. And until next time, guys, peace.